What are you doing? Hey, come here. Come and sit next to me. Like this, like this. Mm. My dear child, don't lie with memories. It will just ruin your present. But no one has achieved anything living with the past memories. Live in present. My dear child, are you understand? Allah Malik.
எங்கள்